Yesterday we discussed about the type parts of sentences. Now today we start with kinds of sentences. This video is for 6th and 7th both the classes. So see kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive और डिक्लेरेटिव. वी असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस को हम डिक्लेरेटिव भी सेंटेंसेस भी कहते हैं. इंटैरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट इज assertive sentences or we say declarative sentences. Declarative or assertive sentences are conveys the information or makes a statement. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It means simple sentences we are talking about is assertive sentences. Only simple sentences are known as assertive sentences. For example, there will be a power cut from 2:04 in the afternoon. This is simple sentence, no comma is there, no at the end we will use only full stop. And next sentence is affirmative sentences. And affirmative sentences conveys a positive meaning. जिस सेंटेंसेस से पॉजिटिव मीनिंग निकलता है उन्हें हम affirmative sentences कहते हैं. और we can say it in negative sentences you conveys a negative meaning, means where we will put never, not, does not, we will put in between the sentences. This is called negative sentences. So this is the exercise based on the assertive sentences and into negative sentences. You have to make sure that you will convey this sentence. I know the answer to the question. This answer is assertive sentences. You have to change the sentences into in negative sentences, means you have to put not or do not. For example, first example is done by the book. I do not know the answer to the question. It puts do not, so this is negative sentence. Next sentence, Ritu comes here on Saturdays. Ritu does not come here on Saturdays. It means you put does not between the Ritu and comes. The herd of elephants found plenty of food in the forest. The herd of the elephants do not found plenty of food in the forest. Yash and I went to the theme park yesterday. Yash and I do not went to the theme park yesterday. Like this you have to put do not, not or does not you in the between the sentences and make it negative sentences. Next is interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? An interrogative sentences ask a question in an interrogative sentences. For example, they are begins with the capital letter but ends with question mark. Remember this point. Start with the capital letter but ends with question mark. In every interrogative sentences, question is started with WH family and ends with question mark. They are called interrogative sentences. First example is just see, do you like reading, and end is question mark. They are asking about questions. In next part, they are the examples of WH families, and they are the example of interrogative sentences. And this exercise is change the assertive sentences to both yes or no questions and WH questions. One has done for you. For first, see this exercise. This is based on the interrogative sentences. Suman and Jia are going to school. Are Suman and Jia going to school? This is the question. And where are Suman and Jia going? It means you have to make two questions related to yes, no एंड WH फैमिली, दोनों में आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है। दो तरीके से क्वेश्चन बनाना है कि आप जिसमें आप ये पूछेंगे येस और नो का आंसर, और एक आप इसमें WH फैमिली का यूज़ करेंगे। सो नेक्स्ट इज, and next point is your next book exercise is the question tags written in these sentences are incorrect. Question tags means जो इसमें आपको जो यूज़ किए हैं वो गलत यूज़ किए हैं। आपको दोबारा से क्वेश्चन बनाना है और उसको सही तरीके से क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है और फुल स्टॉप लगाना है, या फिर आपको ये बीच में से कोमा हटाना है। दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ डन बाय योर सेल्फ. This is the homework. Do all the book exercises in your notebook and write down the definitions of different types of sentences. Today we discuss about the two types of sentences. You have to do it in your fair notebook, and write down the definitions of interrogative sentences and assertive sentences in your fair notebook.